All right, so I had some problems with bike here. Did the velocity stack, and it did pretty good with that. Had to rejet it, and it did better, but still anything over probably 4,500, 4,000, 4,500 RPM didn't feel right. Tried jetting a couple of different main jets on it, and nothing changes. Had a 170 in it to begin with. I went from 170 to 185, then back down to 180, then one up to 190, and never really changed. So got to messing with it and pulled the VOES because it felt like the timing was retarded. So I pulled the VOES off and tested it, and the one that was on there with the vacuum on it, it was reading like 500 or 600 ohms of resistance when it should be less than 1. So I swapped it out with another one. It would go over 55, but it didn't like it. So it was retarding the timing too early. Swapped out the VOES, just took it out and rode it, and it's banging right off the rev limiter now. And I guess rev limiter on these 883s is like 6,000, which has still got the stock module in there. So we're banging right off $6,000. I guess 1200s are like 5,500 or something like that, 55, 58, something like that. But we're banging off of that now, so it's a hell of a lot better. It pulls a hell of a lot harder now. And that's just a little VOES swap.